Hey guys, how y'all doing? In this video I'm going to show you two ways on how you can scan your document then turn it into PDF. So the first way is for you to go to a notepad. After you open the notepad, then you tap on this camera icon, then you tap on scan document. Once you tap on scan document, there are two options. All right, this you can scan it as automatic and manual, and for the sake of for this first method, I'm changing that automatic to manual. So once I tap on this manual, I will also crop it, crop my scan document to anyhow I want it. So after I'm done cropping it, then I will need to tap on keep scan, then save this one, all right, and rename it to anyhow I want. Then after that, then I tap on done. So this is the first way on how to do it. So the second way, I need to go to files. Let me just wait. Yeah, I need to go to files, and after I open my files, yeah, I need to tap on the three dot at the top right, so and create a new folder. So wait, I need to tap on new folder here so that I will keep my scan document there. So this is the second way. So let me just rename this one as scanning or scan. So let me just type this one. Yeah, wait, yeah, so scanning. All right, so after I open this one again, this new folder, I need to tap on the three dot there, then scan the document. Then this one I need to scan this document automatically. Once you leave it like this, so it will capture, it will snap the document automatically. All right, then also you crop it. After you done cropping it, then you tap on done. So that is it, how to do it. Then also you can rename this one if you want. This is yeah, this is how to do it. And after that, you can tap on this share button at the bottom left. So if you found this video useful, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up so that YouTube can share it with other people. See you on my next video. Peace.